So friends, in this video we will learn how to correctly measure the maximum current capacity of an unknown transformer. We can use a shunt resistor and ammeter concept to find out how much maximum current a transformer can give. In other words, we are trying to know the current rating or amp capacity of a transformer. So what is our goal here? We have one transformer, maybe old, maybe no label, or maybe we made it ourselves. But we do not know how many amps it can safely give at the output. So we want to test the current capability of that transformer without damaging it and try to find out its maximum ampere rating. What idea we will use? We will use the concept like this. We connect a low-value shunt resistor at the output of the transformer. Then we connect ammeter across this shunt to measure current. Then we slowly load the transformer and see how much current it gives. We keep watching voltage drop, current, and heat. When the transformer starts heating too much or voltage starts dropping badly, then we assume that we reached its maximum safe current limit. Let us say we have a 12 volts transformer. Any voltage is okay, just an example. Now follow this. The transformer, whose current we want to test. Ammeter or voltmeter plus shunt method. Shunt resistor low ohm, like 0.1 ohm or 0.05 ohm or even thick wire. Big load bulbs, resistors, heater, or variable load. Multimeter optional to measure voltage and temperature. How it works. We connect the shunt resistor in series with the load at the secondary side of the transformer. We connect the ammeter across the shunt resistor, or we measure voltage drop across the shunt and calculate current using Ohm's law. I equals shunt divided by R shunt. Now we slowly start increasing the load, like connecting one bulb first, then two bulbs, etc. At each step, we measure. Voltage drop across shunt gives us current. Output voltage of transformer must stay stable. Heat of transformer body must stay warm, but not hot. We keep doing this until the transformer starts getting hot quickly. Over 60 degrees Celsius is not safe, or output voltage drops below 10% of rated value, or we reach the point where current is too much for safety. Example calculation. Let us say we put a 0.05 ohm shunt resistor. Now, during test, we measure. Voltage drop across shunt equals 0.75 volts. So current equals 0.75/0.05 is equal to 15 amps. If transformer output is still near 12 volts and heating is moderate, then we say, this transformer can give 15 amps safely. But if at that point, the transformer body is getting hot or buzzing or voltage dropped below 11 V, then we stop and say, transformer max current equals maybe 12 amps. So we decide that 12 amps is safe, 15 amps is risky. Now, here's a warning. Never short the output of transformer directly. That will give too much current and damage winding. Always use proper shunt resistor and gradual load like bulbs or resistors to test. Why this is not a good idea. Let us go step by step and explain what will happen if we do this. A transformer is not a power source like a battery. So first, transformer does not push current on its own. It is not like a battery or power supply, which will pump full amps into a resistor just like that. A transformer is a voltage source. It will only supply current if a load demands it. So without any real load like bulb, motor, resistor, there is no reason for current to flow, even if we connect shunt across it. If you put only shunt across transformer, it becomes a short circuit. Now a shunt resistor is very low resistance, maybe 0.05 ohm or 0.01 ohm. So when we connect only shunt directly across transformer output, that becomes same like a short circuit. Transformer will try to pump huge current instantly through that low resistance path. Correct and safe method. We always need to test a transformer's max current like this. Connect proper load, like bulbs or resistors. Put shunt resistor in series with the load. Connect ammeter across the shunt. Measure voltage drop across shunt, calculate current. Slowly increase load. Stop when voltage drops too much or transformer gets hot. That current is your safe maximum rating. So folks, this ends our explanation on how to measure max current of a transformer. Have questions? Please comment below for quick replies. Thanks for watching.